2Z engine, Toyota 2Z, all Lexus 2Z engine. Yeah, the solution nearby. So let's go to the time. So let's go. This is the timing point down here, and this sprocket. I put the sprocket back for you to see the point right. Yeah. This is the point here. Yeah. This is the point here. So for you to get this point and this to be accurate, so you turn the cylinder. This is the cylinder 1, the left cylinder, and this is the cylinder 2, the right cylinder. Number 1 piston will be fully up. The number 1 piston will be fully up. Number 1 and number 4. This is the number 4 at the right cylinder. Number 1 at the left cylinder. So number 4 and the number 1 will be fully up for you to get this point right here. So when they are fully up, you get the points right here. So for you to get this mark here, the mark here accurately, going with this timing point here at the sprocket, the upper sprocket. This is the cylinder 2, the right cylinder. This is the left cylinder, the cylinder 1. So for you to get all this mark to be accurate, so you are setting this gear, the camshaft gear. You are going with 1 point at the camshaft gear for the both cylinder. So when you go with this 1 point at the camshaft gear, is double overhead camshaft on each cylinder. So when you go, you won't go with this 2 points. There is 2 points. There is 2 points. There is 2 points there. There is 2 points there, but we are going with the 1 point for you to get the timing accurately. This. When this is accurately facing each other, each other at the for the 2 camshafts, the 2 will be facing each other with 1 point. This is the second cylinder. You see the 1 point facing each other. These are the 1 points under here. They are facing each other. The 1 points will be facing each other in both cylinder. The cylinder 1 and the cylinder 2, each point are facing each other. When the 1 point is facing each other, you will accurately get this mark here corresponding with this and go with this. So that is the timing at the right and the left side. That is how you set the camshaft. When you set the camshaft like that, so it will give you this. You are going with this mark at the aluminium, the mark here at the sprocket, the mark here at the socket, also straight down to the point, the timing point at the sprocket. So you get it straight. So this is what your camshaft will give you at the left side. So this will be facing like this. If you're facing the right side, the 2 will be facing the right side. So this is what your camshaft will look like at the right cylinder, the cylinder 2. This will be facing up. This will also be facing up. This also will be facing up. So let me put the belt. Let's see. So let me put my belt. The point inside you can see after putting my belt screw with this, you can see this screw down to you can see it inside when you place it after putting my belt. This place also comes down to this. So after fixing my belt, 2 1 point facing the shoulder. The 2 points at this edge. This at this edge. This point facing the shoulder. Same also. One point facing the shoulder. Two points facing this edge. Two points facing this edge also. Also this one, and this one also. After that, push your tensioner, this is your tensioner, this is your tensioner.